to see, like, I use the term normal, but I mean everyday kind of people, everyday heroes doing amazing things for nothing other than the payment of kindness. It sounds really corny, but is actually really, really heartwarming, and I love it.
It has been great fun. We're here with a lot of our SSE electricity colleagues as well, so we were doing things that were nothing to do with the garden for most of this. We were like peeling off wallpaper, blocking up holes, you know, all sorts of work, and it was good crack. It was just people relaxing together in one way because we haven't been around each other for a while. But we were working pretty hard as well and interacting with all the other trades guys that were on site.
Ireland is a different place, and it's a warm place, and you take ownership of being Irish and bringing people in and teaching them about our culture and showing them our love and what we're about. That made me very proud that I am Irish and I am living in a country where we'll do that.
It's hugely about restoration. It's about not losing your heritage, whether it's the built heritage or the natural heritage. These are wonderful, resources that we have.
So we have a role to play in fighting climate change. We're moving to renewable energy across the globe. We have very ambitious targets both in Ireland and across the globe, and we need to deliver that.
It's coming down and it's being part of something, and like, you feel like, one person can't make a big change, but as a group you can do so much. And to be part of that feels special, and the volunteers, none of this happens without volunteers. It's an impossible thing to do, but that's what the magic of the show is that because of these volunteers, because they're willing to give up time, and they're just doing it for that payoff of seeing a family receive a set of keys into a home, and that's your payment.